Here we're going to do a demonstration on the safety edge. The safety edge is designed to prevent the door from striking either equipment, personnel, wingtips, etc. So the door is now headed in the left direction. See the red trip light is on. This is preventing the door from going left, in this case, the same direction as the safety edge. To reset a safety edge trip, you simply need to push the button opposite of the edge. So the edge here is facing left. We push the door to operate right. That in turn resets the safety edge. These are 4-wire fail-safe safety edges. So what that means is they have a fail-safe component that the door will not operate under normal circumstances with the safety edge not functioning. So when the safety edge is malfunctioning, the door will not work. To bypass the fail-safe safety edge, we provide a key switch here. The keys are located inside the control panel, and you would need to rotate the key switch from safe mode to repair mode, and I'll demonstrate that now. Retrieve the gold keys, put them into the key switch and rotate them clockwise to repair mode. Turn your power back on, actuate your top and bottom switches or latches, excuse me. And this allows your door to operate without a safety edge. We don't recommend any long-term operation of the door without the safety edge. If there is a problem with the safety edge, please contact Aero Door, and we will get you the correct components to make the repair in a speedy time frame.